trouble streaming Tubi on your own device? You are not the only one facing this glitch. Let's walk through some quick and effective solutions to get your entertainment back on track. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your trusted hub for tech fixes and smart solutions. Today we are tackling a common issue, Tubi not working on streaming device. Let's jump straight into the fixes. Method 1. Clear up device storage. Running low on storage can cause Tubi to crash or freeze. Here is how to free up space and improve performance. Go to Settings, then select System, then Storage. Remove unused apps. Clear up space to help Tubi run smoothly. Method 2. Clear Tubi app cache. Corrupted cache files can prevent Tubi from loading or streaming properly. Here is how to clean it up. Go to Settings, then Apps, then select See All Apps. Select Tubi, select Force Stop, then Clear Cache. Here we are showing the steps with this app. The methods are same for Tubi. Reboot your own device for a fresh start and relaunch the app. Method 3. Reinstall Tubi. A fresh install can fix broken files or incomplete updates. Go to Settings, then Apps, then See All Apps. Select the specific app and tap Uninstall. Reinstall the app from the Play Store. Launch and test again. Method 4. Verify your internet connection. Go to Settings, then select Network and Internet. Confirm you are connected to the correct Wi-Fi. Test your speed at speedtest.net. Restart your router or modem if needed. Method 5. Update your on-system software. To update the on-system software, go to Settings, then select System, then About, then System Update. Download and install any available updates. Restart your own device and check. Method 6. Turn off VPN or proxy. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Tubi's regional access. Disable any VPN or proxy services. Restart your own device. Try launching Tubi again. Method 7. Perform a factory reset. If nothing else works, a factory reset may be the solution. Go to Settings, then System, then select About, then Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions. Reinstall the app and test again. Method 8. Reach out for help. Still stuck with the same issue? Contact support. Visit ONN customer service. They can help diagnose deeper issues or offer replacement options. And that's a wrap. Tubi should be working smoothly on your own device now. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Still facing issues or have a tip to share? Drop a comment below. We are here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.